tractor show and just deciding on which ones to take. A lot of them have been neglected. As you live life, you don't have time to work on everything, but we'll get the hydro. That's going to go for sure. The 69 will go for sure. After that, I don't know, but got to fix a flat, the guard over the top of that fan, and move on to the next one. As you can see, many of them are used as tables. This is the one I use for leave pickup. I don't think I'm going to take that. It's a train wreck looking. Runs great, but train wreck. Take the 69. If he doesn't have a representation of his 16, we'll take the 12 ST. I'd like to take the custom, but that would mean we'd have to work on the carburetor tonight. I don't know. Maybe the 67. Got to see what's under here. Got a couple of them under here, so. Or that's the 68, I think. We'll have to go over to the other location and take a look at what's ready to go over there. Get this show on the road. Got the long neglected pegboard of parts I've taken off and haven't put back on. Somewhere up here is a couple of parts to complete a couple of tractors, so. Getting closer.
You're gonna run out of daylight. It'll be dark. Speed is
There she is.
no. I have to say, I'm kind of surprised you don't have like a plow on the back of one of them and a cultivator on one.
Well, there's no room. I guess I could hang it off the back there, that
Well,
3-point.
You have to throw them in the back of your truck.
We could put one implement on the back, Dave. Which one should we put on?
I don't know if you want to leave it hanging off the back.
The rotospader would be the bomb.